Good morning, students. Let us proceed our chapter gravitation, and today we will discuss the topic free fall. Simply I am showing you, I have taken a paper and a scale, and at the same time I am leaving both. You have seen scale has rest earlier at the ground and paper has rest later on. So what? Air resistance is applied, and so more frictional force, opposing force is there, and so it will take some time to reach the ground. Its weight is more, so here less air resistance is there, so it falls earlier to the ground. But what happens if both the bodies are falling in vacuum at the same time? So say students, here I am showing you. We have taken a two jar, both are of same capacity, and just in one jar we have taken a feather, another jar we have taken coin. Evacuate both jar so that inside it vacuum is created. Both the feather and cork is at the base of the jar. At the same time you invert, jar is like this, you invert both the jar. When you will invert both the jar, you will find that feather and cork both rest at the base at the same time. So this type of falling where no air resistance or any type of resistance is there, that is known as free fall. So the falling of a body towards the earth under the gravitational force of the earth, rest all the forces are absent, is called free fall. Now when body starts falling towards the earth under gravitational force, so earth is pulling the body, acceleration is created. So the acceleration produced in all freely falling bodies is the same. It does not depend upon the masses of the body, whether the mass is bigger or smaller. This acceleration of freely falling bodies due to gravitational force is known as acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity is denoted by small g. It is vector quantity because it depends upon directions. Its SI unit is meter per second square. As it is acceleration, SI unit is meter per second square, and on the surface of the earth, its value is 9.8 meter per second square, that we will calculate later on. Let us derive the acceleration due to gravity. Means what is the formula of acceleration due to gravity? Let us take a body whose mass is m and drop the body from certain height. As you drop the body from certain height, earth is pulling this body. We know from the Newton's law of gravitation, F is equal to G. E is mass of earth, MO is mass of object which is falling from certain height, and RE is the radius of the earth. So F is equal to G MO by R square. Here when body is falling, it have acceleration. So from Newton's law only we are writing F is equal to ma. So when body is falling from certain height, a is changed into g, that is acceleration due to gravity. So we are writing mass of object into gravity. Now body is falling towards the earth, and so this also is force of attraction, and this is also force of attraction. From equation 1 and equation 2 both equate, so we can write what? MOG is equal to G MO by R square. Mass of the object and mass of the object both are same because same mass is falling on the earth. So what we have got? G is equal to G ME, mass of the earth, by radius of the earth whole square. So general formula is G is equal to GM by R square. So based on this we will do numericals. Okay.